Everybody, on this beautiful Palm Sunday morning. Today I am featuring a 2-pound pot roast from Whole Foods. It's very good. I've cooked this before, and so I want to introduce you to some of the co-actors that will be involved in this wonderful meal. One, we got an onion, we got some organic chicken stock, we got, of course, my baby, my slow cooker, we got some seasoning salt from Trader Joe's, some oregano, I got some organic celery, garlic, Himalayan salt, a little cayenne pepper, and also I like a little mushrooms in mine, so I'm going to throw some mushrooms in there. So how does this work? Well, one, I just seasoned it up right here, opened it up, put the seasoning in. I'm going to let that marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then I'm going to throw this, my onion, chopped up onion and garlic, and the meat in my skillet. I'm going to brown it, because that's the secret to good pot roast, is getting a full browning of all sides of the meat. It takes a little while, but it's worth it, guys. Then I'm going to throw all of that into my slow cooker with my organic chicken stock and some water, and let that cook for between 6 to 8 hours. It's very good. Now this will last me all weeks. I put it in salads. Sometimes I put it in soup, or I just eat it on the side with a salad. It's really good. And so I just want to wish everybody a happy Palm Sunday, and also a happy pre-Easter Sunday. Everybody, have a great day. Bye-bye.